The best part for me is always getting to reconnect with relationships that I've made in prior, forums and sessions here. Rekindling those relationships, continued our shared effort trying to make our industry better, sharing ideas to help our business and us as individuals.
My favorite part is just hearing what other companies are doing that are benefiting them. Hopefully we can change some processes and just do things a little bit, cater to us and what we can experience and within our company a little better.
In our darkest hours, we have all asked for some angel to come.
My favorite part here with being at Synergy is understanding pretty much everybody's difficulties and how they overcome them, learning from one another, growing, what plans they have implemented for the employees to see what I can bring back to our company to make it effective and source what I can,
We got rules and maps and guns in our backs, but we still can't just behave ourselves.
I really enjoyed networking. I met a lot of different people this time that weren't here 2 years ago. And it's always good to talk to other HR people, especially when you come from an HR department of one and you don't feel like a crazy person because everybody is kind of on the same page and having the same challenges.
You could tell it's put together with a lot of care. They make sure that the formatting flows and you feel like you're there with purpose, and compared to other ones sometimes feel like a sales pitch, or it doesn't feel as organic as these ones do.
We've had a wide variety of conversations, and everyone's in different life stages. So we're like what we learned from the speaker, Hayden. It was really interesting to hear that aspect. Don't just think of age, don't think of millennial or Gen Z. Think of what stage of life are they going through, and where were you at that point?
Oh me, oh my, I thought it was a dream. So it seemed. And now breathe deep, I'm inhaling.
We also have a change of clothes.
You and I, the serenity gave me the exhaling. You and I, the serenity. Off you, and I walked off and